The first situation, there are 2 or more half tips on the top of the zipper. After below steps, then insert the zipper to the gapping channel. Fix the cover tightly. Solution 1 is the manual test. Disassemble the protect cover. Turn the wheel crosswise for a round. Solution 2 is turn on the start button on the control panel. Start the single gapping operation to test. If the result is good, fasten the screw tightly. The second situation is the T in the gap was not completely severed. First, loosen those 2 screws. To check whether is the cutter broken or not. If it is broken, change a new one. If hasn't any problem for the upper cutter, install it back. When the zipper T has been cut to be the half T, loosen 4 screws and open the cover. We adjust the button cutter at here. Put the zipper back according to the way we do just now. Turning the wheel crosswise around to check whether it can gap the T clean or not. Well, the gap is clean. If we remain half T on the gap, we need to adjust the upper and bottom cutter again. The third situation is some of the half T we made on the gap. For this situation, the upper cutter should go up a little. When we cut the T to be the half T which didn't hurt the bottom of the filament, we can fasten the screws little and turn to the upper cutter part. Loosen the small screws. Turn the big screw to the right side a little. Turning the wheel crosswise round and test. Okay, fix all the screws. That's all what we want to remind you for this invisible gapping and ultrasonic T melting machine. If you still have any question, you can send emails for us. Thank you.